Hello, this is Rick Wallace. I want to talk to you today about differentiating yourself with a value proposition. What's a value proposition? It really asks, what's the pain that your ideal customer has? What's the best solution generically? And then why are we the best solution provider? Why are we different? What differentiates us? Well, the number one issue, here's one that we put together for one of the hot seat distributors in Texas. The number one issue that haunts our customers is, and we hear loud and clear, is I can't make money if my capital equipment is not on site or on the road. Downtime is unacceptable and costly. They can't live with it. Tools that are down, service that's slow, parts that are back ordered, supplies that are not on site, not having the right tools on the job. All those things are pains they live with and fear of downtime. The best solution generically is buy the best, from the capital equipment fleets to the tools that keep them running. Preventative maintenance routines and vendors that are fast, responsive, and knowledgeable about the products and supplies they offer. Well-trained employees to maximize the productivity in the shop. That's generically, if I could have that, that would be the best solution for my pain. So why are we the best solution provider? What makes Hot Seat different? We supply only the best hot water cleaning systems in the market, Hot Seat, and back it up with fast, responsive, on-site service by our factory-certified technicians. We're proud of the fact that on 97% of the over 5,000 service calls we made last year, we had parts to get the job finished. We respond to calls within 1 hour, and we're on site within 24 hours in 94% of the service calls we made last year. Keeping Texas clean and moving, one job at a time. So that's a value proposition. So you say, what's different about that? It's different because we're not talking about ourselves. We're not talking about products. We're not talking about specs. We're talking about what makes us, what our customers, ideal clients' pains and fears and worries and wants and needs are first. So that when they, let's say a website, come to, and people are doing research on the web and they're looking for a solution, they'll come to this and they'll see, hey, these people understand me. That's my pain. If they understand my pain, they can probably fix it for me. It's not that I need to know what the specs and all the information and the pricing is on equipment right now. I want to understand who to buy it from, because they're really not buying equipment right now, in my opinion. They're buying service. They're buying eliminate or decrease the downtime I have, not only on my capital equipment, but on the tools I use to keep it running. So let's see how this looks at some other pressure washer companies. Here's Cannon, Water Cannon, now celebrating 30 years of service. Here it is. Click to begin shopping. Here's all our tools. Look at all the stuff we've got. It's the same with lots of others. They're all the same. Everybody you go to, they want to talk about themselves. They don't want to talk about you or your problems. They just want to talk about themselves. Let's look at a few others here. I'm shooting in the dark here, but industrial pressure washers, look, you can find them, boy, they'll give you the pricing, everything. Call them up. Experts are available. Pressure washers direct. It's all on price here. They're selling everything on price. That's not a differentiator. You can't sell on price. People, there's always someone out there willing to go out of business before you are. Let's look at commercial pressure washers here. Again, here, cold water and commercial industrial pressure washers. Everything about us. Every application requires a certain amount of pressure. Ultimate Pressure Washer distributes a complete line of commercial products. They're probably really good. They're probably lots of pressure, high quality. They say the same thing everybody else says. So I guess in summary, if you want to be different, talk about your ideal customer's pains, needs, fears, and worries, and then tell them what the best solution is, and then tell them how you are different, how you are the best solution provider. And when you can, as we did in the example before, give them some numbers that back up your differentiation. If you do that, you're going to start attracting a whole lot more ideal customers, people looking for what they value in you. You as a distributor of Hot Seat, you're bringing fast, quick service and training and support and parts and soap. Everything's available so that they don't have downtime, that they're not waiting on you to get their capital equipment on the site or on the road. Good selling.